Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. The Digital Buddy today I will teach you how you can generate unlimited images to videos and even AI-generated songs. The best path is no one can judge this. All things generated by AI. Check out this YouTube channel, Burning Dust, Burning Vibes, Jenny's AI Art, Sensory Vision, Friendly Advice, and the Door Brothers. This channel uses AI-generated songs and videos and is making handsome money. Check his subscribers and views, and he uploads just 40 videos. Isn't this awesome? This channel is also monetized and making a good amount. As you can see on Social Blade, if you are running a faceless YouTube channel or want to start one, this video is for you. And as this channel making money, you can do this too, and I will guide you step by step. So let's start our video and make sure you pay close attention. So let's start with step 1. First of all, we need a prompt for our images, so we will use as GPT. So I always ask to check GPT, and this is the same prompt I used in my video. So I'm going to copy this prompt and use it for generate images. I will give you this prompt in description, and you can use this too. So without wasting time, let's go to our step 2. I made a lot of videos on how to generate free AI images. Now many AI available to generate AI images, but my favorite is Leonardo AI. So let's go to the Leonardo AI. So this is the interface of Leonardo AI, and then just click on Launch App after you see the interface. Like this, you can see it's very user-friendly, and also you can see people-generated images. These images give us inspiration, and also we can use the same prompt of any images. Over here, click on Image Generation. Here, you can write your prompt and select mode from downside. It's showing to mode, Classic and Flow. Let's check first Classic. And I pasted the same prompt that ChatGPT gave me. Then on the left corner, you can choose the aspect ratio. So I need for the YouTube video, I will choose 16.9. If we scroll down, we get our image generated history. As you can see, I generated many images, and these images I used in my video songs. Everything is set. Let's click on the generate button. It's generating our images. See, the result is not awesome. Naughty. Any other AI can generate images like this for free. See the image looking like a real person, nothing showing any error. And also it's giving a good result when you are satisfied with the image. Just click on the download button and it will download. Not any other AI can generate a perfect realist image as Leonardo AI generating for free. Now let's check a new launched feature of Leonardo AI. Just click on Flow State and it will take you to this page. It's same image generating feature, but you can generate a lot of images just in one prompt. Let's check this. Feature is free only for limited time after they will take 1 token for generate image. Same as you did before selecting your desired aspect ratio from the left corner. I will paste the same prompt and then click on generate button. See, the result isn't awesome. Not any other AI can generate images like this for free. Here you go see a lot of images generated with different styles. If you want more images, just click on load, more images. If you want to download any image, just click in the download button and it will download. So I need more images, so let's click on more images. See the same type of picture showing us but a little bit different. See the perfection of images. That's why I choose Leonardo AI. This is the best AI for realistic images. Look at these images and imagine what kind of content you can make. You just need to take first step, which is the hardest part. Just believe in yourself. Which style you want to generate. Just click on that style and click on Generate button again. Then Leonardo will show you the same style. Images I chose, yellow, goldish, pictures, style, so you can see. It's generated a lot of images. As per my command, you can use these images for a lot of things. You just need some creativity and AI will handle all other things. So now we have images and we want to convert them into videos for making video songs or whatever, your imagination. So let's go to our third step, image to video. We have 2 AI tools for images to videos, and both tools we can use for free. Our first AI-powered image to video generator on the list is Hilo AI, so all you need to do is click on the create button to get started effortlessly. After that, simply upload your image and enter your desired prompt in the provided field. For this demonstration, I'll be using the same prompt as before. You also have the option to choose a different model, but I'll stick with the currently selected one for consistency. You can also select the quantity of videos you want to generate. However, with the free plan, you can only generate up to 3 videos at a time. Keep in mind that the process might take some time. especially during peak hours. When there's high demand to speed things up, I recommend generating your videos in the morning, when the platform tends to be less busy here. We go. Our video is ready. As you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. There's no morphing or missing parts, and the final result is incredibly realistic, resembling a real woman, flawlessly. Imagine the endless content you can create using this tool, all for free. All you need is a bit of creativity and a good imagination. Trust me, many people are already making significant money by leveraging this simple process with the right approach. The possibilities are limitless. Now it's time to move on to our next AI tool. Clling AI, this incredible platform, is currently unmatched in its ability to create near-perfect videos. No other AI comes close to competing with Clling AI at the moment. Simply use your email to log in, and you'll receive some free credits to generate both images and videos. It's a quick and easy way to get started. Let's start by checking the image quality of this tool. I have to say this AI produces incredibly high-quality results for both image and video generation. You are going to be amazed by the level of detail and realism it delivers. Simply enter your prompt in the provided field. For this example, I'll use the same prompt as before. Next, select your desired image style. I'll start with anime. Then choose the image aspect ratio and the number of images you'd like to generate. Once everything is ready, click on the Generate button. To begin, here we go. The image has been generated incredibly quickly, and it looks amazing. It truly captures the essence of a real anime character. Now let's move on and check how well it performs with realistic image generation. I've just changed the image style to realistic, while keeping everything else the same. Let's click on the Generate button and check out the result. Here we go. The result is absolutely amazing. Perfectly realistic images with incredible detail. No other AI can generate such high-quality images so quickly. If you show someone this picture, they wouldn't be able to tell that it's AI generated. The clarity and realism are outstanding with no blurring or missing parts. Truly impressive. Now let's explore the AI image to video feature of Clling. Here, simply click on the AI videos option. Then choose your preferred model. After that, upload your image and enter your prompt in the provided section. I'll be using the same prompt. Next, select the video mode. Clling AI allows you to generate up to 5 professional mode videos, which is amazing for now. I'll stick with the standard mode. You can also choose the video duration, either 5 or 10 seconds, since no other AI offers a 10-second duration. It's a great feature to save credits. I'll go with the 5-second option. Once all steps are completed, click the Generate button to start the process. Check out the result. It's absolutely amazing. The video looks like a perfectly real character. Imagine the incredible content you can create using this free AI. People are already making a lot of money with it, and you can do the same. Now you can generate 10 to 15 videos for use in video songs. Let's move on to the final step. Generating free high-quality AI songs. Sun.com is an incredible platform that generates AI songs with real character voices in any language. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to interface. Like this, select the 3.5 model. The new version is V4, but I've exceeded the generate limit. Then write your song lyrics in the prompt section. If you don't have the lyrics ready, ChatGPT can generate them for you. Alternatively, you can choose to generate just instrumental background music. After that, select your desired music style. You can give them a title based on their theme or vibe, and click on the Generate button to create your AI song. Here we go. Suno AI has provided us with 2 song options. These free AI tools like Sun.com for song generation and Clling AI for image and video creation open up endless opportunities for creativity and income generation. They provide high-quality results quickly and effortlessly, making them accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a little imagination. These tools are free to use, eliminating the need for expensive software or professional services. You can generate songs, videos, and images in minutes instead of hours or days. The outputs, whether realistic images, stunning videos, or professional songs, are of exceptional quality, suitable for professional use. Platforms like Sun.com support song creation in various languages, broadening your audience reach easy to use. No technical expertise is required. Simply follow a few steps to create professional-grade content. These tools enable you to bring any idea to life, whether it's for entertainment, marketing, or educational purposes. Upload songs to platforms like YouTube, Spotify, or SoundCloud to earn revenue through ads and streams by leveraging these free AI tools. This was our video for today. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the Digital Buddy channel, like the video, and share it. Thanks. See you soon in the next video.